Today we will make a German soup named Solyanka, which is inspired by a popular traditional soup recipe that came from Eastern Europe and found its way to Germany during the Russian occupation. "80 grams sliced carrot, 50 grams celery stalk, 100 grams sliced red pepper, 100 grams diced onion, 300 grams beef, 150 milliliters water from pickles, 1 bay leaf, 40 grams tomato paste, 150 grams pickled cucumbers, 80 grams sliced Polish kabanosy sausage, and 100 grams diced ham, 1 liter vegetable stock, 60 grams green olive slices, 150 grams diced bacon, 3 garlic cloves, and 200 milliliters tomato pulp. We will begin this recipe by boiling our beef meat until it's tender. When done, remove the meat and empty your pot, then pour 40 milliliters vegetable oil and add the diced onion, carrot slices, and bacon. Stir and fry them on medium heat for 5 minutes until the onion softens a bit and the bacon turns slightly crispy. Now add tomato paste, tomato pulp, pressed garlic, and 2 teaspoons salt, then cook it for 3 minutes. We will add now 1 liter vegetable stock and 3 liters water. While it begins to boil, add sliced red pepper and celery stalk, then cook everything for 15 minutes. When done, add the diced pickles, green olives, water from the pickles, and 1 bay leaf, then continue to cook on medium heat. Now take the cooked beef and slice it into small chunks. It's a simple soup to make and it cooks up quickly, making it a great option for a filling lunch or dinner. Hope you all enjoy it. Till next time.